Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to close all the open tabs all at once in Safari web browser of iPhone and iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, just open the Safari web browser. So now let me tap on these tabs. So now you can see here right now 3 different tabs has been opened, right? So here there is no direct option that you can see to close this open tabs, right? So in order to close all these open tabs all at once, what you need to do is just tap and hold on the icon present at the right bottom corner. Just tap and hold, and now you can see here one option written close all 3 tabs. Now you can just tap on it. Now it will ask you to confirm. Just click on close all 3 tabs. Voila, now all the open tabs has been closed all at once in Safari web browser of iPhone and iPad. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily close all the open tabs all at once in Safari web browser of iPhone and iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.